You scrolling through Instagram, seeing all these entrepreneurs living the dream, and you're thinking, man, I wish I had that kind of money to start. But let me tell you something, you don't need a trust fund to build wealth. You got hustle, you got heart, you got this fire in your belly, that's all the starting capital you need. You see, the world is full of opportunities and the digital age has leveled the playing field. You don't need a fancy office or a huge bank account to get started. All you need is a smartphone, an internet connection, and a burning desire to succeed. Think about it, some of the biggest companies today started in garages and dorm rooms. It's not about where you start, it's about where you're headed. And with the right mindset, you can turn your dreams into reality. So what's the secret? It's about leveraging what you already have. Your skills, your creativity, your network, these are your assets. And the best part, they're free. You just need to know how to use them effectively. You got hustle, you got heart, you got this fire in your belly, that's all the starting capital you need. This ain't some get-rich-quick scheme, this is about putting in the work, leveraging what you got, and building something from nothing. Imagine turning your passion into a profitable venture. Whether it's a side hustle or a full-time gig, the possibilities are endless. And the best part, you can start today, right now, with zero cash. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how to make money with zero cash. How to turn your hustle into a money-making machine. We'll explore different strategies from freelancing to starting an online business, and everything in between. Think you can't start earning or investing without money? Think again. This video shows you how to leverage creativity, skills, and resources to make money without spending a dime up front. We'll dive into real-life examples and success stories to inspire and guide you on your journey. So, get ready to take notes, because we're about to embark on a journey that could change your life. No more excuses, no more waiting for the perfect moment. The time to act is now. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to start making money with zero cash. You'll learn how to identify opportunities, create value, and build a sustainable income stream. So buckle up and let's get started. Remember, it's not about having money to make money. It's about having the right mindset, the right skills, and the determination to succeed. Let's dive in and unlock your potential. First things first, stop telling yourself you got nothing to offer. Everyone has something unique to bring to the table. It's all about recognizing and honing that skill. Everyone's got a skill, something they're good at. It could be something you do effortlessly, something that others find challenging. Maybe it's a hobby or something you've been doing for years without even realizing its value. You can write like a boss? Boom, you're a freelance writer. Think about all the businesses, blogs, and websites out there that need fresh content. Your words could be exactly what they're looking for. Got an eye for design? Graphic design is your game. From logos to social media graphics, businesses are always in need of creative minds to make their brand stand out. Math whiz, tutor those struggling students. There are countless parents looking for someone to help their kids excel in school. Your knowledge could be the key to their success. There are platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer bursting with people looking for what you got. These platforms are a goldmine for freelancers, offering a wide range of opportunities to showcase your skills. Create a profile, showcase your skills, and start bidding on projects. Make sure your profile stands out by highlighting your strengths and past experiences. A well-crafted profile can make all the difference. Don't undervalue yourself, but be competitive, especially when you're just starting out. It's important to find a balance between pricing your services fairly and attracting clients. As you build your reputation, you can gradually increase your rates. The key here is to build a reputation, get those 5-star reviews, and watch the clients roll in. Positive feedback not only boosts your profile but also builds trust with potential clients. Remember, every dollar you earn is reinvested back into your hustle. Whether it's upgrading your equipment, taking a course to improve your skills, or marketing your services, reinvesting in yourself is crucial for long-term success. Networking is another powerful tool. Attend workshops, join online communities, and connect with other freelancers. Building a network can open doors to new opportunities and collaborations. Set clear goals for yourself. Whether it's landing a certain number of clients, earning a specific amount of money, or mastering a new skill, having goals keeps you focused and motivated. Celebrate your milestones no matter how small. Every step forward is progress. Reflect on your journey, learn from your experiences, and keep pushing forward. And don't forget to take breaks. Balancing work and relaxation is key to maintaining your creativity and avoiding burnout. Enjoy the journey and remember that your skills are your currency. Listen, Cash ain't the only currency in this game. In today's world, the value of skills, knowledge, and connections can often outweigh the value of money. It's all about leveraging what you have to get what you need. This is where the art of bartering comes into play. Remember bartering? It's making a comeback, and it's a powerful tool for building wealth from scratch. Bartering isn't just about trading physical goods, it's about exchanging services, expertise, and even time. Imagine the possibilities when you start thinking beyond traditional transactions. Say you're killer at web design, but need a killer logo. Instead of spending money you might not have, you can trade your web design skills with a graphic designer who needs a website. This way, both parties benefit without any cash changing hands. Find a graphic designer who's struggling with their website. Boom! Barter your skills. This kind of exchange not only saves money but also builds relationships and networks that can be invaluable in the long run. You get a logo, they get a website, everybody wins. Think outside the box. Bartering can be applied to almost any field. Whether you're a photographer, a writer, a marketer, or a handyman, there's always someone out there who needs what you have to offer. Maybe you can offer your services in exchange for mentorship from someone killing it in your industry. Mentorship can be a game changer, providing you with insights, guidance, and connections that money simply can't buy. Or maybe you can trade your skills for access to a co-working space. These spaces can offer you a professional environment, networking opportunities, and resources that can help you grow your business or project. The possibilities are endless. Get creative, find those win-win situations, and watch your network and resources grow exponentially. Bartering is more than just a way to save money. It's a strategy for building a community, fostering collaboration, and achieving success together. So, start thinking about what you can offer and what you need, and begin trading up to success today. The internet is your playground, your 24/7 hustle hub. E-commerce is blowing up, and you can get a piece of that action without spending a dime up front. Dropshipping is your new best friend. Find a product in demand, create an online store using platforms like Shopify, and partner with a supplier who handles the inventory and shipping. You focus on marketing and customer service. Affiliate marketing is another goldmine. Partner with brands, promote their products on your website or social media, and earn a commission on every sale you drive. It's all about leverage, baby. Chapter 4. Free tools, maximum impact, building your brand on a budget. Stop thinking you need fancy software or expensive subscriptions to build a brand. There are so many free tools and platforms out there, it's ridiculous. Canva is your graphic design savior. Create stunning social media posts, logos, even marketing materials, all for free. Use social media like a boss. It's free advertising, people. Engage with your audience, provide value, build a community around your brand. Email marketing is still king. Platforms like MailChimp offer free plans to get you started. Build your email list, nurture those relationships, and watch your sales skyrocket. Chapter 5. Network your way to the top. Relationships are your secret weapon. Listen up, your network is your net worth. Get out there and connect with people, both online and offline. Attend industry events, join Facebook groups, slide into those DMs. Don't be afraid to reach out to people you admire, ask for advice, offer value. Mentorship is invaluable. Find someone who's been there, done that, and soak up their knowledge like a sponge. Collaboration is key. Partner with other entrepreneurs, cross-promote each other's work, and expand your reach. Remember, you're not in this alone. Build a supportive community and watch each other rise. Chapter 6. From Trash to Treasure. The flipping phenomenon. This one's for the hustlers who ain't afraid to get their hands dirty. Flipping is all about finding undervalued items and selling them for a profit. Hit up thrift stores, garage sales, even online marketplaces like Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace. Look for hidden gems, things you can clean up, repair, or repurpose. Got a knack for photography? Stage those items like a pro and list them on platforms like eBay, Etsy, or Poshmark. You'd be surprised what people will buy. It's all about adding value and finding the right buyer. Flipping is a grind, but it can be incredibly lucrative and rewarding. Look, the only thing stopping you from making money is you. You got the hustle, you got the heart, and now you got the knowledge. It's time to turn those dreams into reality. Pick one of these strategies, go all in, and watch your financial future transform. Remember, success leaves clues. Study those who've made it, learn from their journeys, and pave your own path to wealth. Now get out there and crush it. You don't need money to start making money. Use these ideas to kickstart your journey today. Like, share, and subscribe for more practical tips to change your financial future.